So, good afternoon, everyone. In this lecture series, we are going to see and cover about the topic of how this mastering of networking or the networking events or the things will actually build those relationships among the peoples or the mentors. So, in this introduction part, we are going to see about uh, how this competitive business world is mastering the art of networking, how they are using this networking and relationship building, how this is crucial for professional success, how they are using this for the workforce area or business building or anything, that how they are using this networking. So this presentation will also provide you with the valuable insights and the practical tips how to enhance your networking skills among your various forums. So understanding networking is not just about enhancing the business, but it's about building an authentic connection. So we already know that the networking is not just we're just exchanging the cards, keeping the cards, or using that specific things that seeing their cards or using for the business or the purpose. It's a type of building an authentic connections that we can say that we can see or mutually connect with them. The LinkedIn, we can see what track they have been working on, what are the insights that they have been sharing on the posters, what are the things that they are actually needed, and what are their characteristics and their education part and their skills, everything, license certifications, all those things we can see in them, and we can form and build an authentic connection. So it involves active listening, as we already speak about the genuine interest in others' success. It actually says that we should have a knowledge or the thing that to active listening and a genuine interest in others' success. So it is a strategic way of relationship building. So building your personal brand. So your personal brand is a reflection of your professional reputation. So personal branding is a new type of word which I'm hearing in new things. So personal brand is a reflection of your professional reputation. So this helps in the terms of networking. How you network with the people, how you get into the people connection, how you actually enjoy those other success, how you motivate other people. It also is, and how you portray yourself in a social well-being. So it actually shows about your personal brand, and it actually reflects in the professional reputation also. So it's important to cultivate a strong and personal brand through consistency. So it actually says about how we consistently make things, how we authentically do those things, and how we create the value for the company or the people or the things which you're making into the bigger picture. Effective communication. So these all start with the terms of communication. How we effectively do communication, it's a communication. So effective communication is a cornerstone of successful networking. So how you make the communication to the people, maybe in the level of C-suite level. So how we effectively share our knowledge, things or ideas, which will say us about which part we came from and how culture that our organization is actually keeping with us. So this is saying that effective communication is important, and it also involves a clear and concise messaging. So the effective communication will actually shows that how clear are you, how clear on your picture, how concise your messaging, how actively you listened or get through the project or the things which you have been actively following up, and what are the ability to convey your confidence and credibility. So the ability to convey the confidence and credibility also, it mainly takes place in the communication part. So navigating the networking events. So networking events provides a valuable opportunities to connect with industry peers. So these networking opportunities events or actually provides a valuable opportunities to connect with the industry peers. So like the conference, conclave, anything which actually take place by a certain people, so we can actually do networking. So it's also important to approach these events with a strategic mindset. How we are going to strategic mindset in terms that how we are going to utilize a certain person, the valuable person, how we are changing them into or converting into different businesses that you have, and set a clear goals and follow up with the meaningful connections. So set a clear goals that there should be a meaningful conversation with them, as well also they should be having a win-win concept. So if anything we are approaching, they should have a benefit and we should have a benefit. So it's a win-win concept. And also following with the meaningful conversation. So in this coming to this conclusion of this slide, so the mastering the art of networking and relationship building is a continuous journey. So it's not standing or take place in a certain period of time or the business that are we going to get to, but also it's like continuous learning process where we start and where we are going to end. So by applying these principles discussed in these presentations from the first how the networking other place take place, so you can actually enhance your professional network and also create a lasting and meaningful relationship with the people will actually grow your business with yourself and also your professional growth and also reflect your character. Thank you.